How many times have you come into your classroom and all your plans have been disrupted for various reasons, and you find yourself teaching on the fly, so to speak? Teacher Guide open to the lesson, we try to convey information that we haven't prepared, or if it's new curriculum, we haven't even seen. It happens to all of us, sometimes more than we'd like to admit. The convenience that the features of IQ on my smartboard provide help me to share content, involve the students in the lesson, and create activities and checks for comprehension as I'm teaching. I can start from scratch at the board, or I can upload an existing Smart Notebook file and add it right away from my smartboard. Let me show you what I mean. If I'm on my IQ home screen and I select the Apps button, there are a variety of built-in board apps that I can utilize as I teach. The most obvious one is whiteboarding, which I can quickly access from the home screen or the apps library. So let's say we just started a cross-curricular unit on the seasons, and yesterday we explored how the seasons change. But today I need to help my students understand the effects of seasonal change, and I have no lesson plan prepared because I was in an unexpectedly long meeting yesterday. I quickly pull up a new whiteboard session to review what we talked about yesterday. So I have the students call out the things they remember from yesterday, and I write them on the board. Now, if students have their own devices, I can add an instant shout it out and have them share individually what they know and learned. This would quickly increase the level of engagement. I could add a timer and give them a set time to respond and use this as an activity to get them on task quickly. After we review, I can add a blank page in the Notebook Player file and watch some video clips on the different ways plants and animals respond to the changes in the seasons. We could then discuss what things in their lives change with the seasons: clothing, food, activities, sports. And I could wrap up by having the students write a paragraph about how the changing seasons affect their own lives. Being able to create materials as I go has saved my students from downtime while I quickly regroup and read through and gather materials for a lesson. I can have them actively involved in the material as I go through it. And the best thing is, I can save the lesson I created to use with another class, add it to the next day, share it with other teachers, or save it for next year.